How to reset or power wash your Chromebook. What is power washing? When we're talking about power washing your Chromebook, we don't mean that we want you to spray it with pressurized water. That would ruin your device. Power washing is like performing a hard reset. It's essentially like resetting your iPhone or restoring a device back to its original condition. Why should you power wash your device? Power washing clears your device's memory, giving it more space and allowing it to run faster. It can resolve minor technical difficulties you may encounter, like unresponsive apps. And power washing will also update your device to the latest operating system version, making sure that you have the newest features. Power washing is also important to do before testing. What would you need before power washing? You will need a Wi-Fi connection, a charger for your device, and your personal information. If you're at home, you will need to ensure that you have a Wi-Fi connection along with the Wi-Fi password. At school, you would need to report to the TST to receive a wired connection. You also need to make sure that your device is charged and able to power up. Lastly, you will need your personal login information, like your student email, which can be found by clicking the Google icon in your Chrome browser. And you will also need your student number and password to be able to log in. So, how exactly do we power wash the device? First, double check you have a Wi-Fi connection available. Turn on your device and plug it into a charger, and then enter the following key combination. If you're power washing at home, ensure that you have the Wi-Fi password or have a parent or guardian help you out with that. Once your device is on and plugged into the charger, you will need to hit the following key combination, which is CTRL+ALT+SHIFT+R. Hit these 4 keys together at the same time, and your device will have a pop-up that asks you if you want to confirm the power wash. You will click yes or power wash. After that, you will receive another pop-up asking you to confirm. Click confirm. At this point, your device should turn off and turn on again at a screen saying, "Welcome to your Chromebook." At this stage, you would need to connect your device to the Wi-Fi network. Select your network and enter the password. It may download updates automatically. After this point, you will see an enterprise enrollment screen, which is essentially enrolling your device back into Gwinnett County Public Schools. At this point, you will see a login screen. It can either be the one that you're used to or a different one. You would need to have your student number, password, and email prepared in the event that you have a different login portal. Sometimes it asks you to log into both. And once you have logged into the portal, or both, you have now successfully power washed. Your device will have the latest updates, and your memory will be freed so your device will be faster. And if you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to the TST, email linked, or report to his office in the Media Center. Thank you so much.